get yourself comfortable. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. And now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's a perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment. Washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are. This unique expression of divine light and love. Allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face. Flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. That healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing. And allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose, allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet, and finally that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards: 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some really beautiful place. Some place where you allow yourself to be present to the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of creation. Remembering that it is here for you as much as anyone else. You are worthy and deserving of experiencing this magnificence, this abundance. And you can look around, and maybe you're in a forest and you're looking at trees, and allowing yourself to just feel the joy and the gratitude for all of this beautiful abundance. Allowing yourself to experience that, even though you know that life is impermanent, and that someday these trees will be gone. You can look at mountains And just know that those have changed so much because rock formations that were there are no longer there. Sometimes it happens over, centuries, and sometimes it happens very quickly. Change is the nature of creation. And we can still allow ourselves to feel grateful for the glory of creation. Find it fascinating. Isn't it interesting how things change over time? And we get very familiar with certain things, and we get used to things, and so when things change, that feels difficult for us. And allowing yourself to be compassionate with yourself for all of the different ways that you may have handled change. And knowing that you did handle it. Even if it wasn't as graceful a process as you would have liked. Allowing yourself to be in whatever beautiful place you choose right now, seeing the beauty, the abundance, the magnificence. Allowing yourself to be in a state of joy and gratitude, knowing that you are built for change. Knowing that what is no longer here, because of reasons that may be well beyond our understanding, they're not meant to be here anymore. And allowing yourself to make peace with that. Making peace with what has passed and what will pass. Not that you have to do this in any particular timeline, but allowing yourself the grace and the freedom so that you can make the most of your time here. You're here, right now, with gifts and talents to share, with the ability to make things better for yourself and others. So allowing yourself to make peace with loss is not about devaluing anything, dismissing anything. It's about giving yourself the space to make the most of your time here. And again, there's no shoulds about this. No shame in feeling what you feel. Just giving yourself permission to be in this beautiful place, looking around at the beauty all around. And also knowing there's more where that came from. Everything that we see is just a manifestation of energy. And energy changes its form. So even when something goes, the energy is still there and can manifest into something else. So allowing yourself to know that that energy is still there. Allowing that to be comforting, allowing that to be something that you can feel good about. Such that you can feel more peace and more freedom to do the best for yourself and the world. Allowing yourself to feel more and more peace as we go even deeper now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back out from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before, feeling a much greater freedom to be here and share who you are with the world. Giving yourself much greater freedom to feel peace. Because everything is connected. So the more peace you feel, the more peace you give yourself permission to feel, the more peace there is in the world. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day again, powerfully moving forward into an ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. Now go back down to zero, which is always deep sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level, so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake, and welcome back